Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna do a video on an eyeshadow look. I got this palette from Stila a while ago. The colors inside are stunning, so I'm probably gonna play with some of these. I have two new blushes from Hourglass. This is Diffused Heat, and then this is Dim Infusion. So I think I'm just gonna play with this one at first and then this one on top because it's darker, just to see what they're like. I've heard so many things about Hourglass that I'm happy to finally be able to try their blushes. So as you can see, I have my full face on already, except for the blush, and I prime my eyes. I don't set them because I want to have a sticky base for the eyeshadow to go on, but the creases won't be visible once I put the eyeshadow on. So let's start with the blush. I'm gonna try the Dim Infusion, and I'm using my MAC 150. I've just heard that these blushes go on very delicately. Oh, I love that already. It doesn't come up as much on camera, but wow. It basically looks like a soft, oh, that is so my steez right here. Doesn't look powdery, it just glides right on the skin. I always brush my nose. That is absolutely stunning. Oh wow. So I'll just do a swatch for you guys as well. So it's very creamy, and that's what it looks like on the finger, and I'll swatch it on my hand. It's kind of hard to tell because I'm so pale, but it's a very light flush and it has kind of like a glow, but not in a highlight way, more like just a satin finish. Now I'm gonna do Diffused Heat. I'll swatch that as well. So that's the swatch. It's also quite light. They're very hard to swatch, but that's kind of like a good thing because they're not like an obvious flush of color. They're more like blend into your skin. So I'm gonna take that same brush, dip it into Diffused Heat. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm obsessed already. Wow, look at that. And it blends right into the skin. Mind you, I'm already wearing highlighter. Isn't that just so cute? By the way, the highlighter I'm wearing is Estate Dew Me Lit Baked Highlighting Powder. So it's also a baked formula, just like the Hourglass. I don't really wear gold highlighters, but I think I got this in like an Ipsy bag, and it is quite nice, and the fact that it's baked does help it blend into my skin more. And I find with gold highlighters I need to put on the highlight first and then the blush, because then it, you know, melts into the skin easier. Every month I switch out a blush and a highlighter just so I can get through my collection, because I have a pretty big collection. So because it's May now, I switched from my MAC highlighter to this one. So for the eye look, what shall we do? I think I want to play with these two colors. First, I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm going to take my LANCOME 17 brush, just put that right through the crease, just because I want some transition, but a very soft transition. Also, what I primed my eyes with is this concealer. Got it a while ago by Algenist. It's a highlighting concealer, but I don't like it very much. So I use it to prime my eyelids, which it doesn't do a very good job of either, but I'm project panning it. And for those of you who don't know what project pan is, which I'm sure most of you do know, it's basically you take something out of your collection, whether you do a full face or just certain items, and you try and pan them or use them up completely. And so the way I do it is I pan a bronzer and certain like skincare products, but I switch out highlighters every month, blushes, I have a lot of new eyeshadow palettes that I haven't used yet, so I'll try the eyeshadow palette, but I have a palette in rotation as well from my collection that I switch out every month as well, and that's just more like a secondary palette, just in case I need a color and therefore I get use. So just like that. I know it looks just kind of gray and unnecessary, but it's for a reason. It's a good color to transition these cooler colors. So I want to do something different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to put it on my eyebrow. I'm going to take my MAC 234. I'm going to dip into this color right here. Just throw that on the brow bone. I know it's weird, but it's doing something different. It's kind of cool, right? Now I'm gonna go back with my brush that I was using for crease and just blend that in a little bit. Okay, now for the lid, I'm gonna take this pink shade right here. And I'm using my HAKUHODO J5523 brush. I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. That is quite stunning. And it would for sure have more punch with like a finger or if you wet the brush, but I don't really want to do that. So going back in with the blending brush just to blend it all together. My NATASHA DENONA 8 brush, and I'm dipping into this turquoise color right here. Is that turquoise? Teal? Whatever. And I'm putting it in the inner corner. Isn't that just glorious? Now I'm going to take both colors and then put it right in the middle, just so they blend together. Do you see the difference right there? And on the bottom, I kind of want to keep it simple. So I'm gonna go into this color right here, buff it right underneath. This is my SEPHORA 41 brush. My eyes are watering. They always water. It's like, oh, do you want to put a lot of effort into your makeup and make a cute look? LOL! Your eyes are gonna water and ruin everything. Okay, so now I'm taking this color right here, using my Morphe M149 brush. It's like a silver, and I'm gonna put it into the inner corner. I'm gonna go back into this glittery color right here and put that on top. It's the same color I put on my brow bone. By the way, on my lips, I have my Makeup Forever lip pencil, the Wherever Walnut. Always, probably gonna use it till it's done. And then my MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in Reverence. Beautiful lipstick, absolutely stunning. I like the powder mattes because they're not as drying on the lips, but it is a matte, so it will be dry. It won't be like glossy or anything like that. Mascara I'm gonna use is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Just really like the formula and the wand, just spiky. I'm still on the forever hunt of finding the perfect lash curler because I still haven't found the one. kind of cute. Yay? Nay? You like? Or not? I don't know. I kind of like it. Simple, but it does the job. You know what I mean? It like you don't always have to go overboard with doing like a creative look. But I just like that it's summery and kind of pastel-y, but glittery pastel. Anyway, so that's the look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know. Thank you for watching again. Really been into filming myself doing makeup because normally I'll just like lay in my bed and do nothing all day because it's like quarantine life, and I probably leave my house maybe once a week just to deal with my whole like surgery situation when I go see the nurse. It used to be every other day, but it's literally like drive there, drive back. So now I feel like I'm more motivated to do things because I'll get ready and I'll feel pretty and I won't feel the need to go lay down. You know, they say that if you work from home or if you're doing anything from home, you should take a shower, put on your makeup if you wear makeup, you know, get dressed out of your PJs into lounge clothes or whatever it is that you want to wear, and it puts you in that state of productivity instead of laying in your bed and doing nothing, or on your couch watching TV, whatever it is that you choose to do. So I've really been feeling this, and it's like making me happier too, I'm not gonna lie. Just playing with makeup is fun for me. I like the results. I like that it makes me feel more beautiful. Not that I don't like myself without makeup, but it's just like enhances the features that I have and that I like or whatever. So yeah, this is the look for today. And although I'm not going anywhere, like, this is good for me. This feels good for me. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for my friends. You know, this is just like a fun hobby for me now. And I have ideas on other things I want to do, but I'm just waiting on one product. I'm going to do a full face of NATASHA DENONA because I have so many of her palettes. Like, it's, you know, like I'm looking at them right now. I have probably, I don't know, I have a lot of her stuff, you know. I have all of her contouring stuff and highlighting stuff and just every palette, every little mini palette. So I'm just gonna do some sort of look, incorporate all her products. I have her base products as well, so that'll probably be next once I get one product that I'm waiting for. I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.